are some rules that will allow you to find if a number is divisible by a single digit number. These are called divisibility rules, and knowing these rules will help you solve some of your problems faster. So let's look at a few of these rules. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is even. So, for example, if I had the number 24 and I wanted to know if 24 was divisible by 2, I look at my last digit, I see that it is even, and I know that the answer is yes. 24 is divisible by 2 because the last digit is even. If I had a number like 53, the answer would be no, because 3 is an odd number. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. So let's look at an example in which this is true. 315. If I take the digits of 315 and add them together, 5 plus 1 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So 315 is divisible by 3 because the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. A number like 311 wouldn't work because 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and 5 is not divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits of the number are divisible by 4. So a number like 136 would be a good example of this. The last 2 digits are 36, and 36 is divisible by 4. So we know that 136 is divisible by 4 as well. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. So 230, for example, would be divisible by 5 because the last digit is a 0 or a 5. 232 would not be divisible by 5 because the last digit is not a 5 or a 0. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and by 3. So 48 is an example of this. 48 is divisible by 2 and by 3. So 48 is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by, for 7, there is no easy rule for 7. So let's skip forward to 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits of the number are divisible by 8. So an example here is 3,456 because 456 is divisible by 8. For a rule for 9, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. So an example of this is the number 756 because 7 plus 6 plus 5 equals 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. So we know that 765 is divisible by 9. And then the last one is a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is a 0. So 100 or 230 are examples of numbers that are divisible by 10.